How to send a delayed text on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a delayed text on iPhone. But for that, you must have to have iOS 18 or above. So, if you have that, you have to go to your iMessage. Once you're there, tap on the plus icon on the left side, and there you'll see send later option. Tap on it, and now you can schedule the message. So type in your message, and then you have to tap on the time, and there you can set it to when you want to send the message. So I'll set it to 6 June 6 p.m. And then you can tap on the send option, and that's it. This is how you schedule a delayed text on iPhone. It'll be very easy if you want to wish someone at 12 a.m. but you cannot wake up. And that's it. It has made birthday wishes and various other actions very much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.